Hey, sorry.
How come you never see? Yes, start.
Yeah.
All right.
My chart.
Right. Okay. Let's give it a moment for the others to join first. It will give it a minute or something.
Yeah. All
Yeah.
right. What's up, guys? What's up? We are back again. Now let's wait for you guys to tune in to our live stream.
Yeah. Let's give it a moment. So as usual, we'll be waiting for Aras. Is it that dude? Yeah.
Aras, yes, Aras. We'll wait for him to come and we will see.
Hey. Give me a moment. FOMC USD.
Anyway, as you can tell from the title, guys, tonight is FOMC for those that may not know, and that is one of the most important events in the foreign exchange market. So it is very important for us to see what goes behind the scenes and what comes after as well in FOMC. So let's wait and see, guys. Let's wait and see.
Wait, let me. All right. Okay, let me see who's joining, who's in our chat.
Okay, we have another person watching us now.
All right.
Scenes and what comes
If
up.
you are watching, please say hi. Just so we know that who are you watching. All right. Okay, let us begin. Hey bro, you start first.
All right, let us begin, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the Olympus Academy, guys. So, as usual, it is your host, Chen Yu, and your host, Yongjing.
Hey yo, hi there, I'm Yongjing.
What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? Okay, so those who just joined, right? So, we will be analyzing on Euro USD and gold and any other currency pairs or even Dow Jones index that you guys would like us to analyze. Do write down on the comment section below or the live chat below. Yep. So without further ado, guys, it is a very important day today because tonight is FOMC. Okay, and we are all waiting to see the outcome of FOMC. So without further ado, let's begin, guys. So looking at Euro USD, right, on the daily time frame, we can see that price has been very bullish still, especially after yesterday's CPI news, where the inflation actually cooled down and showed signs of slowing down. We could see that Euro USD literally took off, okay, and it flew up like 100 pips. So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see very strong bullish momentum and bullish structure over here at Euro USD. Now let me mark out as usual the higher highs and higher lows for you guys. So we can see here. Sorry, wait. Right. So we can see a high here, a low, a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this really just confirms the current bullish trend that Euro USD is in. And we do not want to counter trend this anytime now, especially so when FOMC is literally like in a few hours. So just do make sure and do note that you guys are trading safe, because tonight's FOMC would definitely whip Euro USD or any other USD pairs, even gold, especially gold. So let's go down to the lower time frame, guys, and analyze how price is doing and how the technical chart is performing, right? So if we go down to the 1-hour time frame, guys, we can see that very strong bullish momentum coming in yesterday after the CPI results came out. So we can see this extremely strong bullish candle coming in, and this entire bullish candle here was about 134 pips, guys. That is insane for a pair like Euro USD. And that literally took place in an hour or maybe even 30 minutes, guys. So if we look at the 30 minutes time frame, right, guys, we can see, and if we draw the Fibonacci retracement all the way from the low, okay, we can see that price tapped onto the 0.382 zone and literally rebounded off from it. And
don't mind me to interrupt. So, because the previous US CPI release was on November 10, right?
Yes.
So just now you just showed it was 130 pips, right? So maybe we can take a look at the November 10 CPI release, so we can see how much it flew also.
Sounds good. Let's see.
November 10. So we can just take a quick look how high we can expect it to continue moving.
So you can see that the November 10 CPI result could come, right, is actually right about even crazier. This 226 pips, guys.
It's
And
crazy.
it continue going up to a high about 500 pips, guys. 540 pips. So that is actually insane, and we can possibly see FOMC.
500 pips also.
Yeah, we could possibly see FOMC coming in and taking price to greater highs, guys. Okay, and like I said, okay, if we go down to the 15 minutes time frame, right, and we look at the current price, it seems like this entire bullish leg. Okay, let me mark it out over here. This entire bullish leg had a pullback. Okay, had a pullback, and the pullback retracement seems to be possibly over. So if I draw the feed again from below over here, and I draw it all the way up, you can see that it tapped into the 0.618 level very sharply and nicely. And if we go down further to analyze whether there's any long setups to take you to, let's say, the 3 minutes time frame, guys, 3 minutes. You can see that price already broke structure. So what I mean by price break structure, I mean that we can see that there is, on the 1 minute time frame, we could see that price was actually in a bearish trend by these lower lows and lower highs forming, right, guys? So we can see this. And however, we can see that there's a shift in market structure in a way that price broke structure, which is this nearest high. And this can be constituted as a break of structure. So
that's very nice. That's very nice, man.
yeah. So if you see clearly, right, guys, you want to enter on a long on Euro USD for some quick longs, scalp, if you want to hold, that's up to you, that's fine by you. But because FOMC is tonight, I would rather close my trade early and possibly, wait for a quick, just like, take profit fast. So if I would enter on this trade, I will be entering for safer stop loss. I will put my stop loss all the way down. And for my take profit, let's look at a 15-minute zone. We see this high that could potentially be cleared. So perhaps my take profit level will be right above that at a risk to reward about 3. And the reason why I entered here is because we can
that's a really nice entry, man.
Yeah, so we could see that there is a very clear level here that we could possibly take longs. And yeah, so that will actually be a very nice position for us to take longs. And if you guys want to go and take longs, you guys can go ahead and we will see how this trade pans out.
Really, that's a nice, that would be a nice trade if it continues moving up.
Yeah, so that would be what I believe Euro USD can continue going, and I believe that it can continue going up, guys. I believe there's more strength for it to continue going bullish, and because of the FOMC, the previous CPI news coming out and showing signs of inflation slowing down, I believe that that could be a sign that the Feds would be slowing down their rate hikes. So do wait patiently and see how price is moving. As of right now, this would be a quick scalp or maybe intraday trade that I would say. Yeah, so definitely just keep in mind that FOMC is tonight for any of you guys who are taking it. Yeah, so I do see that there's quite a bit, and 2 people just joined our live stream. So hello. So just if you're watching us, if you have any questions, make sure to just comment down on the chat box below. We would appreciate it a lot. Okay. So this is what I would do on Euro USD. But if I were to go to gold, okay, Sean, you want to talk about gold?
Sure. Why not? Okay, you can switch on to your chart right quick.
Okay. Daily chart.
All right. Right, just looking at the daily charts, we are looking that price is actually okay. Let me clear this out. Price is moving in a very, very nice. Let me get the handout. Where's the color? I don't think I'm able to change the color.
Okay.
I might have a problem with the color.
Okay.
But, okay. Do you want? Okay, let me try something.
Okay, I
got it. It's fine. Got it. You can see price is in a very, very clear.
Okay.
It's a very, very clear, quite a nice parallel, a channel. So we are looking for price to possibly head up, clear. Where can it possibly clear? I'm looking for price to possibly clear out this area right there.
Okay.
To clear out that area. So that is a potential area that we can take a look at. So there's quite a lot of liquidity lying there. Quite a lot of liquidity, expecting price to possibly head up there tonight at 3 a.m. Or if we are looking at the downside, possibly price can take out this, at least this low right there. Possibly, just a possible scenario. I'm just pointing out. All right, so maybe we can move on to the 4 hours charts.
So if we move on to the 4 hours chart, guys, okay.
Right. Okay, as usual, in the 4 hours chart, yesterday there was the CPI data released, causing price to continue pushing upwards, right here. So it was quite a big number. So Chen, can you draw out the pips? How high did it move?
So you can see that price actually moved about crazy 409 pips, guys.
Yeah, so that's quite a lot. Then also recently, price also cleared out the buy side liquidity resting right there. So that is on the 4 hours chart. So maybe you can draw a Fibonacci from the bottom to you can help draw a Fibonacci from this at the very bottom to the top.
Okay.
So we take a look. Price is currently resting on the 38.2%. Okay, maybe move on to 1 hour. We can take a look at where price might potentially head to. Right, just looking at that, there's so much liquidity just building up over here. Looking very good, and then we have a very nice equal high right there. Equal high right there, expecting price to possibly push up further just to clear out that area. So I do not recommend you guys to trade for now, because later on, 3 a.m. So Chen, maybe you can open the Forex Factory, show them the FOMC timing.
All right, let me take it out for you guys. So tonight's FOMC would be at right here, guys. So if you can see, at 3 a.m. tonight, FOMC statement will be released, and the Fed funds rate will also be released, and we will know by how much did the Fed's hike rates. So yeah, so because of that, make sure to trade safe, guys, because it is very volatile, and it will be super volatile for those of you who will be trading the news. So definitely do trade safe, guys, because that's the most important thing of trading. You guys have to employ proper risk management methods and strategies. So like what Chen said, gold on the 1 hour time frame, it rebounded off the 0.382 level very nicely. And if we actually talk about some technicals for smart money concepts, we can see that this liquidity below has actually been cleared, guys. So we can see this liquidity here being cleared, liquidity taken, and we could potentially see price moving up. But if we go down to the smaller time frame, let's talk about the 15 minutes time frame. So we can see that price also, the moment it cleared liquidity, it is currently bullish as of the smaller time frame, like the 1 minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, it looks like it's a very strong bullish candle. But what I would like is that I would like price to actually come all the way up around here, okay, to confirm the bullish momentum and to see a change in market structure. So that would be it on gold. Chen, you have anything else to add?
Yeah, so please, if you have any trades open, just take note that if you have stop losses, all these kind of things in place, the slippage can be quite high. So there's very, very high slippage when the FOMC news is released. So I recommend you guys to wait until tomorrow morning when everything is done.
Yes, I agree. So yeah, guys. So definitely wait, like what Chen said, to wait for the price and the market to start to slow down and to start to stabilize after FOMC. And if you look at Euro USD, okay, we see that price is still hovering around this region here, okay. So we will continue to monitor this, the chart on Euro USD and see if it's possible to even take price up to the higher regions of about 1.067. Of course, for everything else, risk management is the most important, guys. So definitely adjust your trade to break even or whatever if you are up in certain profits already. So actually, that will be the end of today's live stream, guys. And it really means a lot to us for if you guys actually are coming in to watch our live stream. And I would really appreciate it. Me and Chen would appreciate it if you are able to comment down on the comment section below and give us a like. That would mean the most to us, okay? And we will see you guys tomorrow again. So definitely do trade safe, guys. I've mentioned that FOMC is very, 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 very volatile and important. Okay, and Chen here knows because the both of us have been trading for about 3 years and we know how volatile the market is, especially before FOMC and after FOMC. So do follow some of our social media links below on the description. If you can see, TradingView account will be DogeStonks for Chen, and for me will be Chen_Yu. So we do post a lot of outlooks and analysis there as well for any of you guys who are interested. So that will be it for today's live stream. Okay. And I hope that you guys actually gained something off today's live stream, and we will hope to see you guys back again tomorrow. And hopefully we are able to see how FOMC have affected price. So that will be it, guys. See you guys.